Hello. I'm glad you decided to take the plunge into this latest painting procedure. It's going to be a lot of fun, trust me. You've just got to let go of your fear and your need to be in control. It's so hard, I know, but it's really worth it if you can do that. So you're going to get started. You're going to get lots of clean water, get a big brush. The number 10 is what I suggest, and you're going to get your paints ready and you're going to have some fun. And believe me, if you want to loosen up, even if you go back to painting in a more controlled, precise way, that's fine. But loosening up, you'll learn so much more by working in a wetter and looser way. You'll learn more about how the paints really work with the water, how the colours mix and play together, and you're going to get some lovely surprises. So well done for trusting yourself to have a go at something a bit different. Really take you outside your comfort zone. So enjoy it. Make sure you share your pictures with everybody. Ask me any questions if you've got any problems, and I'll see you in the first lecture. Thank you.